Technology is changing the world as we know it, with so many cool inventions popping up, those that make sense and the ones that make you wonder why they were produced in the first place. If you think you've seen it all, then think again. In the video, you'll see some of the most ridiculous, crazy tech inventions ever, made from drones shaped like planets to AirPods designed for Chinese dishes. Some of these are available to buy on Amazon, while some haven't started mass production. Before we get into the videos, welcome to our channel, guys, where we update you on the tech inventions. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel, as it helps with the algorithm. Number 1. Jupiter's drone. Most drones you see usually have 4 legs and resemble starships in movies. Jupiter's drone is shaped like a monolithic ball, which goes against the laws of gravity and the unspoken guidelines for drone construction. It uses a single, massive propeller to fly about, remain upright, and even twirl in midair. The drone's fisheye lens camera, which allow it to record its surroundings as if it were a levitating GoPro, add to its already peculiar design. Because Jupiter lacks padding or feet, it can only take off and land on your palm. It comes with a battery mounted on the top, weighing a commendable 400 grams, and has sensors at the bottom that detect proximity, allowing it to nail the landing because, without any bumpers or feet, Jupiter can only take off and land on your palm. In addition to shielding the drone's internal propeller, its casing acts as a buffer while it flies around and films your surroundings. Number 2. Pawport. The Pawport is your ticket out of a lot of hassle. Pawport's futuristic design allows it to slide onto an already installed pet door groove and is secured with a screw and cannot be removed from the inside. In a matter of seconds, you'll change your conventional pet into a Wi-Fi connected, smart, practical, and eye-catching addition to your house. Plus, it makes your door far more secure than before. Built to last, Pawport is made from high-quality materials like steel and aluminum, and that's not all. Pawport also includes a tiny, invisible to your pet, rechargeable Bluetooth collar tag. This door will open softly and gently when your pet is near it. It'll slowly and carefully close when your pet leaves the room. Worried about sensitivity? With Pawport, you can adjust the sensitivity of the gadget and reduce the number of false openings. Number 3. Axis. Ever felt uncomfortable using a VR controller in a small, tight space? Axis is here to solve the problem. The Axis utilizes 9 separate sensors strategically placed all over the body, in addition to an on-body wireless hub to provide precise inside-out tracking. Axis allows you to channel your body's full potential into virtual reality interactions by turning your full body into a controller. The device also has a full-body motion capture technology so that you can enroll in a virtual taekwondo class and spar with your opponents in a fully interactive virtual environment. The level of simulation is so high that you forget you're even in a virtual world. With its interchangeable straps and modular design, you may always have a new and exciting experience. You can get this product on Amazon. Number 4. UnlocX Gel Blaster. The most recent innovation in gel blaster technology, known as UnlocX, brings pleasure to a whole new level by eliminating any possibility of becoming bored. It was developed with a one-of-a-kind modular design that consists of 4-in-1, so that you may have 4 different game modes that you can choose between based on how challenging you want your game to be. On a full charge, you can switch between pistol mode, assault mode, and rifle mode. The UnlocX can be used for longer than 4 hours, hold 700 loads, and shoot 11 biodegradable non-toxic beads up to 18 feet per second. To begin your game, soak the gel balls in water and watch them expand as you fill your ammo. They're created entirely of natural, non-toxic, eco-friendly components that decompose on contact and soon began to evaporate, leaving no mess and no cleanup. Playing with this Amazon-sold gel ball means virtually no trash because it's non-toxic and biodegradable from top to bottom. Number 5. Airpod Sticks. Although they look fantastic, we can assure you that they have no practical use. You even wonder why they were invented in the first place. Why on earth would anybody want an AirPods with a pair of chopsticks attached to it? But whether you like it or not, they're real. So if you have trouble keeping track of your AirPods and are fantastic and are a fanatic for Asian culture, then the Air Sticks might be the ideal option. According to the creator Matt Benedetto, this is the ideal match for your Apple AirPods headphones. Take your favorite sushi with you wherever you go, and make sure you never forget your chopsticks. This is where we sign off, guys. If you like the video and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications to avoid missing out on more videos.